Ooh, welcome to Carter's Eats. Blake and Mommy, try not to get a stain seafood boil mukbang. Blake requested this, and we're gonna do it. Okay. This challenge, yeah, in black
You can
pants.
also have black pants, Mom. Put your pants up.
Welcome to Carter's Eats.
You're flying like an eagle. Flying like an eagle.
Blake and Mommy, try not to get a stain seafood boil mukbang. Chicken, noodles, crab legs, Nene Eats Life butter sauce. Blake requested this, and we're gonna do it. We both have on white tops. Show them, Blake.
And black pants.
And black pants. We're going to do our best not to get a stain. If this is your first time here, before we do this challenge, yeah, in black
You can
pants.
also have black pants, Mom. Put your pants up.
Charlie horse. I'm ready to eat. Okay, listen. Before we get into this challenge, housekeeping. Go ahead, like, comment, and share, and subscribe. We'd love to have you join us for all our fun, shenanigans, family mukbangs, recipes, and challenge videos. Lord bless the food about to receive the from the body, Christ's sake, name. Amen.
Woo.
Woo.
It's time to dig in.
Time to dig in.
Woo.
Woo.
Got my baby crackers right
The
here.
rules are we cannot get a stain
On our pants.
on our shirts.
And pants.
What else did Queen Beast say?
And pants.
Pants, shirt, but she said you can't wipe your hands. So
Yeah.
right.
No napkins.
No napkins.
Wipe your hands up.
Are you mad at me?
And there's no drink.
No drink? Lose it, B. So whoever gets hit first, they're out.
Wait, whoever what now?
Whoever gets a stain on their top.
At the end of the video, whoever has the most stains on their top lives.
There you go. AJ said whoever has the most stains on their top loses.
At the end of the video.
What?
She got smacked in the face.
No, I can't use a washcloth.
Napkin.
Yeah,
My son is over here doing his homework.
dancing.
It's been a while. Ooh.
Yeah, think it hasn't been a while.
Blake, make sure you don't get nothing on your top. You want to tell him anything about yourself, Blake? How old you are?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay. And when is your birthday?
April 16th.
There you go.
Can I have a piece of chicken?
Sure.
I just gave you chicken. I didn't give you chicken?
You didn't give me any chicken.
Okay, wow. Okie dokie.
Let's tell the chicken.
I better not get this on my top, B.
Better not. Do I have anything on my top?
Nope, you're good.
Mm.
You both all good.
You
I'll be
go-
good.
You'll be the judge?
Let's see if it's good or not.
No, nope. Huh? I thought you had stain.
No, it's just like old stuff.
Can I dip? Dip, chip, chip?
I sure hope I don't get hit. I'm hitting the table pretty hard. But that ain't gonna work. That's good with the chicken.
Just stand on me. Stand on me.
Don't eat all of them.
Don't eat all of them. I have some more in the pan for you. We're not gonna eat all of them. I might eat all of them.
I want to at least get one.
Yes, sir. Here, B.
Help us.
Here you go.
Help me open.
That's why I'm trying to do it for you. But I know you're a big girl now. How's everybody doing?
Good.
You having a good Sunday afternoon?
I bet so.
Okay. It's been a long time since we've had crab.
Nice. Woo! It's right on my face. Don't worry.
Is she hit?
Yes.
That was there. That right there is on the.
Oh. Okay, break me out a piece of crab.
Woo! Get off my hand.
We like to do Queen Bee challenges because she has a daughter and son, as do I, around the same age. So I often like to keep up with her channel because she does fun challenges with her kids. So if you don't know who Queen Beast is, get there. I enjoy.
That's your one word you say every video.
Oh God! Why do they not let me be great? That's my thing. You're supposed to. Doesn't your Jelly or Craner have a repeat line they always say?
No.
What does Craner always say?
But time.
Right. So my little theme over here is get there.
Let's splatter.
It did? No, you're not hit yet.
There's splatter everywhere.
I did 2 runs today. It took me 20 miles outside of Denver.
Wait.
And I did not eat. I'm going to talk. I didn't eat all day.
She's talking.
All day.
Wait, if we
And then we played a game of bingo. And I still haven't eaten. So we're able to make this video by the grace of God. And this is my first time eating. Now, Blake, you can go ahead and talk, my love.
But what if we
coming.
both get a tie?
We ain't going to be here that long to make a tie. We're going to see who gets hit first. And then it's a wrap.
No!
The first one to get hit with the sauce loses and the video's a wrap. So you better not get hit. AJ, I'm coming. I'm coming, baby. I think Queen Bee's son is 10 and AJ is 10. And I think her daughter is 6. If you don't know Nene Eats Life, please get there. She is having a
blast.
Yeah, a blast. She's having a 50% off sale right now. She's got taco seasoning.
Spread out my arm.
Uh-oh. If you ruin our shirts, it's on you. She's got taco seasoning. Oh!
Mommy's been hit.
But there's no sauce, Queen Bee.
No.
Queen Bees, there's no sauce. Taco seasoning. All types of seasonings. And she's got cilantro, spicy, and vegan butter sauce. So get there if you don't know her. And please show her some love and support. It's Women's History Month. So we definitely want to celebrate women on YouTube. That's why I'm wearing this shirt by Mukbang and Things. I have her earrings over there. I just didn't get them on. I'm going to do another video right after this. So. All right, AJ. With AJ.
Annie.
No.
Nope.
Wow.
But you're not supposed to be in this one because this is me and Blake's video. You're supposed. I'm trying to get it to you, babe. Blake, you're doing pretty good.
She's throwing down.
She's throwing.
Has no sauce on her, and you just got completely.
I don't have sauce on me. I got crab all over me.
You didn't say it.
I did get annihilated though. Jesus, this is on my arm. Blake said I didn't come to play. AJ's
There's
waiting.
nothing left.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
Sorry, being sucked out by Blake.
Oh my God.
I'm going for big pieces.
Well, there you have it, folks. There you go.
Finally.
Get annihilated, mommy.
Good job, B. You're doing a great job.
Ian exposed.
Who do you watch, Blake?
Ian, Afmouth.
That's who she's talking about.
Ian exposed.
AJ's
He's
waiting.
eating it all right above the sauce.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh,
Now, are you going to tell Blake she can't be in our challenge?
Well, she can be in it, but she's not going to do anything in it.
All right, because you're all up and through her production now.
Oh, I want some food.
I do too.
You wanted to have some food in there too.
Blake, back into production now. I'm gonna cut this part out. You got to stay in the video. AJ, I'm trying, but I cooked you
Do
something.
whatever you can.
All right, I'm gonna try to get this one down here perfectly to you.
To me?
They're whack. That's why they're on sale. There's nothing in them, y'all. She's a epic bust, is what it is. June, take this.
Even those pieces.
It's just pickings are slim in the ocean.
Not in here.
Hey!
Watch my shirt, dog.
Hey.
Yep, that's why I gave you that one.
Oh, this one. Oh, are you kidding me?
Watch out.
Blake's been hit.
No.
Yep, look on their shirt.
You out.
Oh,
On my arm. My
it is on the arm. It's on the
It's
shirt.
on the pants on the shirt.
Now I don't know how that happened.
Are you kidding me?
Bruh. Maybe y'all can tell us in the comments
I didn't do
below
nothing.
how the hit came in. Was it AJ or Blake that
It
made?
doesn't matter. Just eat.
Oh, whoa, okay. As she said,
But see, if you were the one out, she would have been screaming, yeah!
stay in production. All right.
Nobody can see her hair.
That's well, AJ, I gave you what I could.
I want more of that salad stuff with the...
Whoa. What salad stuff?
The stuff you gave me.
The noodles? Oh, well, we had a ball. Mommy won. Blake won. Doesn't matter. We had mommy daughter fun with the don't get a stain. Queen Beast, try not to stain. Mukbang challenge video.
Well, I just want to point out, Blake technically won because you got a splatter on your arm. I saw that there before.
I am so mad at these crab legs. I don't know what to do. Oh, y'all pray for the country and pray for peace, love.
You eating that?
Yeah,
Yeah, eat that!
I am.
Mommy, can you open this? Can you open this?
I'm so hungry. Look at AJ. I have some more in there for you.
Look at this baby rock.
Blake has been waiting on these.
For 8 years.
Yes.
Okay, so no. They trying me, y'all.
Except for me.
There, Blake.
I'm over here
Are you coloring? Are you researching what you're supposed to research? He's got a school project. All right, you guys. Blake, go ahead and wave.
Wait, bye.
Here, AJ.
Eat.
Well, get it.
It's good in the sauce.
Be sure to like, comment, share if you dare. Sharing is caring. And we love all of our new subscribers. And here's a list of our members.
Have this?
Thank you, Queen Bis, for this awesome challenge. Nene Eats Life, I love you. Cheer up. I hope you're feeling better.
Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh.
And happy spring.
This doesn't matter anymore. I can drink.
Because you lost.
It doesn't matter anymore. Right?
AJ, really?
Yeah.
No, don't do that.
Do what?
Because she lost. Let's not. I'm already really amped up. I tell you the truth.
Guys,
Happy spring, and we'll see you guys in the next video. That won't work. That'll be falling over. It is what it is. I don't even know how this video is going to go. But I thank you for watching. Okay, Blake, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Look at the clouds, look at the roses. Look what God can do. If he can do it for the clouds and roses, he can do it for you, and you. Crab legs. Busted. Bye. Ah!
Money super size, G5 super fly, should be supervised. Do or die, open up your eyes, hit.
So I can see you dip the noodles in there.
Look at this.
Lo mein noodles.
Ready?
Ready?
Watch me eat this. 3, 2, 1.
Mmm.
That's like hot stuff.
Oh Lord.
What?
AJ's watching
That blood gets me good, right?
when Nick Cannon is on the step team. Megan Good's in it. We're a mess.
You won't eat your food to see what's blood gets me good.
Your hand. Your daddy's gonna die when he sees that.
Mommy still has nothing on, except for your neck. And Blake just got even more dirty.
All right, time to film with AJ. Cash App is in the description box below, so I can bring Blake and AJ to Atlanta.
Broccoli?
You do your broccoli in there too.
All this stuff in here. It's good.
Blake. Here, get this. So much for our white shirt challenge. Try not to stain your shirt challenge.